Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Corporate English Demo, where we'll focus on how to better our English in corporate sector. I, Aviya Fatima Milar, and co-host,
Mohammed Kumail here.
would like to welcome branch manager of the Way Saving Pay, Iman Afzal, and learn from her experience in the field. Assalamualaikum, Iman. Hope you're doing well. I would like to, I'm fine as well. I would like to ask you, what does the industry in the banking sector and why is it essential for bankers to have in this search? We all know that English serves as our global language in finance way. So this makes easier for bankers to communicate effectively with clients, regulators, and international partners. Strong English skills are essential for writing clear documents, financial reports, and presenting dates and closing dates and proposals. And conducting negotiation in a competitive goal is a competitive global environment.
What tools would you recommend for people who want to pursue their career in banking to improve their communication skills in English?
Okay, we already know many of us already are familiar with tools like Duolingo, Grammarly, and we can. I personally suggest that if you want to update yourself and you don't have enough time to learn English through any app like Duolingo and Grammarly, you can take help from ChatGPT as well. It's the best tool. This will help you in writing formal applications, in writing proposals, and anything you want to concern with. What strategies can we adopt to help employees overcome challenges when they are working on a formal document such as loan proposals or financial reports? We conduct regular training sessions once in a month, which help to focus on financial reporting and business writing. We also have mentorship programs in which senior members give guide in which senior member guide and review draft of loan and proposals and annual reports of compliance documents. Then we also have team-based feedback, which encourage collaborative editing sessions to refine key communication.
So, how does understanding of corporate English can help bankers effectively navigate global markets and international relations?
English literature enhances bankers' ability to craft engaging narratives. For instance, marketing material may use literary techniques like analogies to connect emotionally with clients. Literature focus on human emotion aids banker in understanding clients' need during advisory sessions. How does English proficiency impact career advancement opportunities for banking professionals? Strong English, we all know that strong English skill open doors to leadership roles, particularly in multinational banks. In other corporate sectors, proficient bankers can negotiate deals, present ideas effectively to global stakeholders, and build rapport with international clients. All of which accelerate your career growth.
Can you share some examples like how can we using the English literature in professional field of banking?
Okay, banking presentations often use storytelling techniques, which is inspired by literature to explain financial trends or products benefit effectively. They also use literary metaphors, which can simplify complex financial concepts for clients. Then a deep understanding of narrative help bankers create compelling pitches or proposals. So it is crucial for someone who works in a bank to know English efficiently and effectively.
Yes, present.
What kind of English is commonly used in daily interactions between bankers and clients or within team? The banking sector primarily uses business English language, like a format gone for email, compliance, documents, and reports. Then they also concise phrasing to ensure clarity and PCM. Use of financial jargons and industry-specific terms such as amortization or credit risk.
What are some potential risk a bank in case of employees lack in communication skills of English?
Okay, it has three main aspects. The first one is miscommunication. Errors in financial reports or loan agreements can lead to a regulatory issue. Then the reputation damage. Poorly written client proposal or correspondence reflect poorly on the bank's professionalism. The last one is lost opportunities. Limited English proficiency can hinder collaboration with global clients or partners, which decrease the productivity. Time spent clarifying ambiguous communication affects operation effectively. Are there any specific apps or platforms to help writers improve their corporate English? Yes. For example, we have Grammarly, we have Coursera and Udemy. We have Rosetta Stone. We have Belingo app.
How can banks design effective workshops to enhance their workers' English writing skills?
It has three phases. In first phase, we identify the need and assess employee challenges in drafting financial reports or loans proposals. In second phase, we conduct interactive session with the employees, which include practical activities like editing real client documents or creating loan agreements. Then in third step, we do follow-ups with the customers, which offer post-workshop material and peer review opportunities, which enforce their learning session. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your valuable insights. It's been a pleasure having you, and I hope our audience find this discussion helpful.
The audience, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and improve your communication skills. Allah Hafiz.